Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can verify your age on Roblox. So Roblox does not have a specific age verification process for individuals or users. So instead, Roblox provides age-appropriate experience for users under 18 and offer additional features and options for users who are above 18. Now, this means that the platform automatically restricts certain features and content based on the age you provided during registration. So in order to verify your age, here's the steps. So first of all, open up a web browser. You can also do the same procedure with the help of an application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.roblox.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page, and once you're on this page, click on the gear icon located right on top. As soon as you clicked on the gear icon, go to settings from the drop down menu, and this is going to take you to the account settings page where you'll be able to see all of your information. So in order to verify your age, scroll down a bit, and over here you can see in the right hand side bar there is verify my age. So basically, in order to verify your age, so your date of birth indicates your age while you have registered your account. So while you have registered your account, if you have created your birth date as below 13 years older, then you'll be able to see the features that is below 13 years. As you can see, to verify your age, you'll need to provide in your valid ID, and then you can also do it with the help of a QR code through your smartphone. So in order to verify, you have to provide all of these forms of statement, all of these forms of government ID and license, all that. Only then you'll be able to verify your age. So in this way, you can verify your age on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.